Hai bro khai na khai lam soka ni channel ko khai habo se tini trok share khai na mo song mane ke sini government of India kaisa obligation launch khlai rekha airo go shetu hunai tabu ko corona virus ne epidemic o jora o sang bai ke safety khlai tongban obonoti bharat sarkar aba hai application da launch khlai rekha o application ni bising tei sang nang ang jotno ke sini gana gini corona virus manjak abo hai affected brorok da tong kroi abono seng check khlaina ni bagai teisini bai thang bo seng manjagai de tongkha abono seng check khlaina ni bagai o application da launch khlai rejakha aboni bagai tini abono share khaina ni mosongo tei sana ni mosongo o application download khaina ni bagai tei ni sak bai thanga jora seng check up khlai tongnai seng abono o corona virus by affected dang mada manjak sak bai thang no sanga check khlai tong manai aboni bagai bai brok phaide ang rok no tini noknai bahike o application no download khainai tei bahike use khainai abono tui ang rok no kisa phono gana rok puilanismi paithak jora video nai tong phaide bai rok aba hike ang rok no ani mobile screen no tubui phake an rok no ang phongno nai play store thangai bahike download khainai o apps no tei bahike use khainai ang obo nok no kisa phono gana puilano play store thangnai abai ke oro arogya setu honai seride arogya setu app ang puilano search khaika ang oro sen rewana abai ke jotoni puila nukjak phayana arogya setu honai oro click khaide abai ke oro nugui manana naroka 10 million download ang thanga abai ke oro install tangai redi haike install ngai thangana MB bosag bangthai abai brok 2.90 MB se abo phatjakai tabukno downloading thangana abo hike tumung no tebon rok apps ne tei naina mo songkha nai manora abini review rok sai naina mo songkha abini about this app rok nain rok pori oi abo hike kaham kai nang o app no download khlai use khlai mano abo hike download complete ding thangka bai brok ang direct no open khlaisinai bai brok airoko setu app ron rok language kabangma language choose khlai mano rok bangla kha bangla english hindi angro english by choose khaina bai brok next rewana abo hike rok pori nai mano each one about says the power to prevent run rock next rate thane I go set to track through a bluetooth locations generate social graph abake sanga paithago phaisa bake register now sangro click lainai terms of service and privacy device location bluetooth data sharing abake oro I agree scenario wana oro location ni allow clarity pulano ni phone number marinai phone number iwai submit to click khairide OTP phaisok paina baike bini interface sang lokoi manka personal details what is your gender male lekha full name ba sangro sainane nangnai jene jabumung siride sirika age ride 32 tero profession brok sungo nangta mukhlai doctor nurse abo hai ni profession sungo nondo above kono khaya renai countries travel outside in last 30 days oro nai mano nondo above konja ke beraya non ranai abai ke next thanai ready to volunteers in the time of need abai ke yes khlaina de confirm submission abai ke submit khlaina de are you feeling well yes take 20 seconds self assessment test yes kisa net sulu ni bagai anero fat phayang tongka please note that information from the chat will be used for monitoring and management of the current health crisis and research in the fight against COVID-19. Are you experience any of the following symptoms? No, the above. Ang kuno symptoms kare hingkai. Ang no babo brinai or cough tongue of fever, difficulty in breathing. Ang kuno ekdom kaham hingkai ang no babo brinai. Abahai kai no babo. Have you ever had any of the following? Teyoro tesa sao diabetes tatong ani kuno kuroi bebag 100% kaham no abai ke nondo bebo brinai. Have you traveled anywhere internationally in the last 14 days? Okay, internationally nang kuno travel da khai okay khaya ang no rinai abai ke I have recently live with someone who has tested positive COVID-19 angkai abo anga sakani kuno fano option ang khlaya angkai angaro not of the above rinai your infection is low ani infection risk is low nai phaka abai ke ani kuno risk kare apato apni bagai ang okay rinai okay ri wi ang tamang ro nai granai abai ke you are safe nai phaka rondorok no goi man khana ani kuno case kare ya ka kuno manjak jak kare ang pura puri 100% ang safe abai ke nukjagai phaka teyoro brok dagi osno social distance maintain khainani tei sak no check up khlai tongnani tei apps no sanga salbrum updates khlai tongnani mada manjak ya bai ke test khlai tongnani say hi without handshake sang kok simis khalainai tam ka handshake khaya avoid social gatherings dol social gathering asa kothum lai bazar sadai sung tong yawai they keep 6 feet distance from people sung 6 foot zora borok bai sal mani haksal abai ge tongnai asa gana khai tong yawai phadi bai brok abani bagai sung tabuka jotono khirilai jaka dorok botumno abai ke nongni sak bai thangno o apps ni bisingtui nang check up khlai tongnani hingkai anga dorok no koinani musungo dorok bo abai ke o apps no download khlaina de dorok sak bai thangno test khlai tongmanana tei tomung no nong abai ke phatarago thangka hingkai nini thani o case soda sokpai abni bagai Indian government o apps no launch khlai riwa sing abai ke tomung no gana gini manjak tongkhai o application ni bisingtei detect khlaio abni bagai belai ka hamba brok tomung no nangka o apps no ro share khlai mano nangoro test again tesa nang test khlai mano ang already test khlai ka ang tesa koek dini pore abai ke ang phatarago tomung no thangka hingkai angka test khlai phinai abon bai brok berai ka ham application download khlai nongni phone toni mano abai ke norok check up khlai coronavirus ne against fight khlai manai o application ni bisingte abona ang koinai bai brok norok jotno download khai di o apps no tei manka hangkai sing je mansaka nogono tongnai ongkhoriawai sing auto asa ongkhoriawai sing sak no self quarantine tongono sing abai ke coronavirus ni hoite sing yogoi manai